Abolition Today.
An average death penalty case cost the state millions of dollars. In California alone, since 1978, the total cost of enforcing the death penalty has been over $4 billion. That's $308 million for each of the 13 executions carried out.
I've always supported the death penalty. I've always supported the death penalty. I don't even understand people that don't.
We have to bring back the death penalty. They have to pay the ultimate price.
Death penalty. Bring it forth.
Now they give the death penalty where they give a slight injection so that they don't have pain when the needle goes in to slowly put them to sleep. I mean, these people have to be treated very, very severely, and they're not treated severely.
Very much in favor of the death penalty, especially for terrorists and especially for people that, you know, killers that you see so many where the girls are being killed and then they capture these guys. I am so for the death penalty.
We will believe the right punishment, and we all do, for cop killers is called the death penalty.
Remember the old days, a deserter, what happened? Bang.
He deserted.
You know, in the old days when we were a strong country, it would be boom, gone.
You know, spies in the old days used to be executed.
Bing, and it goes quickly, right? It's called, you're dead. Treason. It's treason. You don't even hear that word. It's treason.
You know, in the old days, boom, firing squad. No, it's true.
That's $308 million for each.
I love the Second Amendment. I love the Second Amendment.
Somebody said the other day, well, he had some psychological problems. Well, you know, in the old days, bing, bong. When we were strong.
The drug dealers, the drug pushers they're really doing damage. Some countries have a very, very tough penalty, the ultimate penalty.
They don't have a big drug problem in China. They have a thing called the death penalty. In China, if you're selling drugs, it's death. It's the death penalty.
I said, Mr. President, do you have a drug problem? No, we do not. I said, big country, 1.4 billion people, right?
That's $308 million for each.
Not much of a drug problem. I said, what do you attribute that to? Well, the death penalty. So, death penalty. We give death penalty to people that sell drugs. Death penalty. Quick trial. Death penalty.
That's $308 million for each.
Unless you have really, really powerful penalties led by the death penalty for the really bad pushers and abusers, we are going to get nowhere. Again, the words death penalty, death penalty, death penalty, death penalty. From no penalty to death penalty. The death penalty. The death penalty. It's called the death penalty, okay?
Let's play with the death penalty. Let's see what happens.
Bring the death penalty into vogue. Death penalty all the way. The ultimate penalty has to be the death penalty. Now, maybe our country's not ready for that. It's possible. It's possible that our country's not ready for that. And I can understand it, maybe. Although, personally, I can't understand that.
That's $308 million for each.
You felt sorry for her. A white woman? You felt sorry for her.
Abolition Today.